What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina of Love Savings Journey, coming back to you with another cash stuffing video. And today, you guys, it's going to all be about my bills binder. I have to get out of the habit of saying my high priority binder. You know, I be all over the place with naming my binders, you guys, but it is my bill binder. You know, and I'm just happy to be able to contribute to it today. Okay, you guys. So today we will be cash stuffing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, $51. And these next the year-end videos, you guys, will be my final goodbye to 2024, you guys. And then we will be budgeting a lot next year, okay? We will be budgeting. We will be in full force. I'm going to try to do as much budgeting as I can. I've been watching Bailey Budgets. I really love the way she budget. And hopefully I can, you know, budget as much as I can, you guys. I'm just gonna do what I can, okay? If it's day by day, it will be. If not, it will be what it's gonna be. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. God is so good, you know. I just want to remain positive, you know. Home Depot is Home Depoting, and that's just what it is. You know, but I have an end goal for Home Depot, okay? That's not my last destination as far as employment and money and this and that. I have bigger and better things that I want to aspire to do. DoorDash is not the end all for me either. I'm very encouraged moving forward with my life. You know, it's going to be what it's going to be, but I just know and I believe, y'all, that God got some great things in store for Miss Lavina. Okay, y'all? So today, let's get into our bills binder. Let's go ahead. And rent won't be getting anything because that is saved in my bank. And we will be on time again this month. We will be on time this month. So excited. Yes, they still haven't sent our lease renewal yet. So I'm thinking that they're going to keep us on month to month to see how we do. But that's fine with me because I'm still looking for more affordable housing, you know, anyway. So electric is going to be getting $5 today. So we still have $300 and something left on our electric voucher. So hopefully I'll be ramping this up. We will see. You know, I'm getting fewer hours in the next 2 weeks at Home Depot, but that's a yay for me because I get to do more door dashing, okay? And when I do more door dashing, I get more instant cash, okay? I don't have to wait 2 weeks to get it. So I'm excited. It is what it is. I know people say about the miles and this and that, but hey, I like shmoney now, okay? And you know, and Home Depot, like I said, it's just a stop in my life right now, okay? So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 in electric. And hopefully I'll be able to start these little electric power on. I'm calling it my electric for my electric. It's a total of $450. But it's $30 each, okay? So I'm excited to start that. Just to catch up on my electric bill. On all, like the electric bill, that's what I'm saying. I know it's a phone, but I'm looking at I see each phone. It's phones on there, but I'm looking at the power on, honey. Because the power got to stay on. The power got to stay on, okay? All right. So household, we will be doing a little bit of our challenge. And household will be getting $11 today. We're going to go with the green. I believe household is going to be getting 11. So let's see how much we have in here. First of all, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I didn't separate the money, y'all. Okay, my bad. My bad. And so it will be getting 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I haven't been coloring these in or nothing. So let's do that. So it's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So let's see. 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we are just gonna, y'all, you know, I don't be really motivated to color these in, but I am. I need to take my time. So it's gonna be $26. We're just gonna do a little quick color. And I hope all of you guys are doing well. Your family is blessed and you are excited for the new year, because I know I am. Shout out to my girl Michaela. I'm sorry my sound went out on my live. You guys, if you guys know how to get your sound back when you're because it seems to happen when I get a phone call, especially like if I'm in my car. If I get a phone call and I don't answer it, then it's like my sound goes out and I can't. That's what happened to the other video. So I just deleted the whole live, but I was live for, it lasted for about 5 minutes. Yeah, so it lasted for about 5 minutes. So if anybody know how to, you know, get past that, that would be awesome. So this is only going to be $10, because obviously, oh, that's why it should have been the it should have been this. So we owe, let me write on here, owe $5. How about, no, how about, let's mess it up though. I'm just gonna put O, because I don't want to mess it up, y'all. So we gonna owe $5 here, because I was wondering where's the 6. But it was right there in my face as usual, y'all. How y'all kids doing? I hope everybody kids is doing well. I have a little preteen here who I just know I have to spend more time with Jaden. I am putting in I'm just trying to do a schedule so I can fit my mommy time in, helping him with his learning this coming new year. Will went to the library. He got himself a library card, you guys. My honey went and checked out Jaden a bunch of math books. So we will be attempting to tutor him ourselves and learn also. I know it will be a challenge, seeing that me and my husband hasn't been in school since like 93, him probably 1990. So, you know, we're up for the challenge though. And if all else fails, and we're going to be incorporating YouTube with that as well. And if all else fails, you guys, then we'll go the tutor route, okay? So car maintenance as well will be getting $10 from our little happy challenge. So let's see. How much is in here? Oh, it's only 10 in here. Oh, okay. So we're going to do this 10. And after this, I won't be doing this over either. Okay. We're going to go ahead and move. I don't got to reuse challenges no more. I'll go ahead and let them go, honey. I'll be holding on to stuff. We'll be like, throw that stuff out. Reusing and reusing. Now, we're not living in lack in 2024, honey. I got so many savings challenges. But since I already started this one and I completed it before, I will be doing it again. I'm going to finish this since I started it. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know. I just like the happy faces, I believe. I really like the happy faces. Okay. Subscriptions will be getting $5. It's nothing in them. But I know we have next month coming up. And I will be stuffing for my card note starting next month, starting actually this next week, the first week of January. You'll start seeing that my card note and my insurance, okay? Because we got to keep that up, especially for what I want to do as far as in the healthcare field, you know. So we have $5 in subscriptions. Daquan's Pet Care will be getting $5 as well. This will not be getting redone again either in 2025. I just, that's the only thing I had with the dog. So don't laugh at your girl. Y'all see it been marked over again. So now Daquan has $25. But we will not be redoing that either. Once that's over, that will be going into the trash as well. Wi-Fi or water will not be getting anything because I just don't have, well, you know, I could have stuffed it, but I'm not. It's not my bills, and I'm not stuffing it right now because I have my own things that I want to prioritize. Entertainment will be getting $8 right here. So I have my own things that I would like to prioritize right now. And I made an extra payment to my SBA loan as well, you guys. And I did make payment arrangements for one of my credit cards. And I took time. That y'all will see that when I start my budgeting. I don't know what I'm going to do. I got to talk to the people. But I did take time to get my all of my credit card information. Everybody I know, all the balances. I do have that I will be putting into my budgeting. So we can try to really see what it is. And I even got my rap sheet printed out, y'all. Woo! Yo, girl. I got that printed out, but I finished. I'm not on paper nowhere. I paid all my fines as far as my criminal history goes. I haven't did anything wrong in 14 years. You know, no traffic tickets or anything since 2010. Okay, you guys? So I got all of my stuff, all of my paperwork. I'm ready to battle it out with anybody who wants to smoke in 2025, okay? So now entertainment has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Yes, I got my credit history and my criminal history on hand. I got to print that out when I get to work. I'm going to use their computer and their copy paper. And I'm going to print that out so I can have it in case the Nursing Association want to see anything. I don't even know if they're going to go back that far. But if they do, I will be ready. And groceries, we'll be getting this last money of $7. Now groceries have, and this is going to be saved, you guys, for my Costco. And just extra, you know how when you run out of money or whatever, you know, we do get a little bit of EBT, and I'm so grateful for it. But it does not last us the whole month, so we end up spending cash in about 2 weeks. So, you know, it is what it is. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I will be stuffing that more as well. We've been spending cash though. I haven't even took this little money out of there. You know how you just use your debit card, but I'm trying to be on my budget. So I just be, when we need something, me or Will, we just go get it, honey. We just go get it. But I know I got to do things in a more structured way. So that's what it is. And like I said, you guys, this should be the last video here of 2024. Now, it won't be really, because before this week is out, I don't know if I'm going to do it for New Year's Eve or what. But your girl, we're going to do that budget and planner, because I want to be all set for January 1. Okay? I don't want nothing stopping that or nothing impeding on that. And I'm just, you know, I want to just be ready. I have so many plans. In these next couple of days, I will be organizing what saving challenges I want to do for Q1. What are my goals I want to accomplish for Q1, you know? And that's what it is. I need to figure out everything I need to do for the first 3 months of 2025 and make that happen, okay? You guys, thank you so much for watching my cash stuffing video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I love y'all so much, and thank you so much for just all the support and encouraging words, for hitting my comments up and keying with your girl. You know how it is. So, see you guys later. How did this happen, y'all? My little Rose Forever sticker just unsticking. Okay, we don't want that, but I guess it don't matter. But I love the little embellished sticker. And plus, it represents the company, so I don't want it to not stay on there. I want them to be wrapped in the video. Okay? All right, you guys. See you guys later on the next video. Bye.